Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how a diplomatic mission, an international organization, can claim their tax refunds. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the request tile. Here you'll see multiple request tile types. Select VAT Refund and then select Diplomatic Mission and International Organization Refund. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instructions page, where you'll need to read and declare the instructions by taking the checkbox. Now click Continue to Next Step in order to move to the Tax Invoice Details section. In the Tax Invoice section, you have two options. 1, where you can directly enter data in TPOS form, and 2, is by using the Excel provided in the application. Let's discuss the first option, where you can directly enter the data to the form. The first step is to click on the Add New button, and an entry line will be available for you to enter your data. Now you have to enter the invoice date, supplier's TIN number, invoice total, VAT incurred, ECL incurred, STT incurred, and others. Please be advised that you will be required to attach the individual invoice in each line by using the icon on the form. Click on the icon and locate the invoice on your computer and upload. Once uploaded, click the Close button to return to the main page. If you want to add more lines, you can click on the Add New button again and repeat the same process. However, if you want to delete any lines, you can click on the Delete icon on the right side of the entry line. Now let's go over the second option, where you can use an Excel to import the data to the TPOS form. The first step is to click the Download template. This will download the input claim Excel to your computer. Open the Excel to proceed with your data entry. If you look at the Excel, it has 8 mandatory columns that you need to fill. Let's discuss each of these rules. Invoice date. This will be the date on which the invoice was issued. Note, date should be entered in the following format of day, month, and the year. Should be in full, for example 2021. Supplier's TIN. This will be the TIN of the supplier, and it can be for an individual or non-individuals. Invoice number. This will be the reference number of the invoice issued by the supplier, and it should be a unique number that has not been previously claimed. This means that an invoice number cannot be claimed twice. Therefore, partial invoice claims are not allowed on TPOS. Invoice total. This will be the total invoice, which will be VAT inclusive. VAT incurred. This will be the VAT incurred entered by taxpayer. The system does not calculate the VAT itself. The reason is that there can be possibilities that a taxpayer will not claim full VAT, so it is a free field where you can enter the VAT, but it should not be 0 or greater than given VAT rate for the period. For example, VAT rate is 9% for 2021, so for any invoice value of $1,000, taxpayer can only claim $82.56 or less at 2 decimal place. Moreover, the Excel should not have any formula. ECL incurred. This will be the ECL incurred amount field. Please note that you have to enter the correct ECL amount as per the invoice. STT incurred. This will be the STT incurred amount field. Please note that you have to enter the correct STT amount as per the invoice. Others taxes. This will be the other taxes amount field, entered by the taxpayer, and should be less than the invoice total. Please note that you have to enter the correct other tax amount as per the invoice. Once all the data is entered, save the Excel file. Now return to the TPOS form and click the Import File button to upload your filled Excel. Now, you have to attach each invoice in the same line. Then you have to upload the exemption approval letter in order to move to the next step. Click on Continue to Next Step. If any amount is incorrectly entered, the system will pop up an error message, which you have to correct before proceeding to the next step. Now, click on Continue to Next Step in order to proceed to the Declaration section. Here you have to provide the TIN of the person submitting the application. Tick the Declaration checkbox, then click the Submit button to submit the form. After submitting the form, an acknowledgement page will be displayed with your reference number. You can also click and download the acknowledgement letter. When the form is submitted and upon approval, you will be notified via correspondence tile. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email tpos@frcs.org.fj.